Morning, y'all. It's another beautiful morning here in West by God, Virginia. I'm gonna do some river fishing this morning. I got my good old trusty $30 combo from Walmart, as you can tell. Well, it's like 36, but still. And then I got myself a little jig with a jig head on it. I have no idea about sizes or anything, but hey, I'm gonna give this a try. This is the Mon River. I mean, it is what it is. But we're gonna give all this a try and see. I've had a couple bites. I've lost a couple spoons off of stuff that's even shredded my line. So I attached a, I think this is a 30-inch steel leader. I think. Sounds about right. It's on the end of it, but who knows. Regardless, so last time I was here, I was throwing out a red Daredevil spoon, classic red and white color, and something hit it. I felt two pulses and all the tension was gone. Reeled it back in. Come to find out, whatever hit my line cut it in half. And I know for a fact there's saugers, there's walleye, and there's muskie in this lake or river, so obviously it had to be one of them. Oh, alright. Nothing so far. So let's change up tactics. Yeah, last time I lost something, it was on a spoon roughly about this big. So we're going to see if this one still has its juju. Caught a couple walleye on them. Not here. This was like years and years and years ago. I've had most of my tackle for years. So we will see. Still convinced there was a hit on this. I'm not seeing any marks. Who knows? Whatever. But yeah, if you can't tell with the steel leader thing, I don't fucking play. After they snapped my line last time, I don't play no more. Nope, nope. So something's gonna bite this time. It ain't gonna bite through fucking steel. I know that for damn sure. We good in the hood. Got that action. I can't cast over there because I tried magnet fishing and I'm probably about in there. There is a magnet with about 375 pulling force in it right now, so I'm not gonna cast anywhere near that fucking thing. It got snagged and I cut the line, but that don't mean the magnet ain't still down there. For some speed casting. Oh, of course, they're gonna go right by where I'm fishing. I got these people right here that are literally ruining my chances over there, so now the thing I get left to fish by is the fucking magnet. Or by the magnet. Oh god, it's looking like I'm not going to catch anything this morning, which kind of upsets me, but oh well. And that's it. one last cast, and then I'm calling it a day. Skunked yet again, most likely. We'll see. 2 times out fishing, have yet to catch a damn thing. So, all right. What's going on, folks? So told you earlier that I had an appointment this morning. Well, it didn't last as long as I thought it would. Therefore, I can keep on fishing. And that's my goal. I'm going to see if I can't catch me a little walleye. You know, maybe super lucky and get me that fish of 10,000 casts, that big old muskie, but I highly doubt that one. Gotta go back, grab my box. Whether they want to cooperate or not. It's a whole nother beast. Not quite a damn carp. Huge. There's little schools of them. I don't know if you can see them moving or not, but all up in there. See? More. I mean, they're just another set of big ones. Carp all around here. So what I don't understand is why there's so many fucking carp. There's no big fish. Apparently they don't want the jig this morning. I'm going to attempt to do the spoon, then maybe try a spinner. I don't know, I only got so much in my little box. I'm fucking tired. It's the Mon River for you though. Alright, so back up to the old spoon. Wish it was red and white, but hey. Something else in this fucking river took that fish for a fact. Oh god. My god. I swear I'm gonna be able to come out with a video for y'all once every 2 months of me catching something. It makes for a great fan base, let me tell you. A fish a month. Go on, Mr. Tire. By the way, y'all, if this don't work out with this thing, I'm just gonna turn it off, save the battery in it, and if I catch something I'll turn it on, but if I don't, I mean, yeah. As you can tell, it was a dud. Second time around still. I don't know if it's me doing something wrong or what's going on, but I mean, it is what it is. I mean, this is fishing for real.